Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Pad Air, and today I will show you how you can insert SD card into this device. Now for this you will need a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box. Now if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you want to take out the tray, which is located right here. On the same side you have your volume buttons. So insert the pin, push it in, and the tray will come out. From here you have space for just a single SD card. Place the card on the tray, make sure that it's laying flush on the tray. There we go. And then insert it into your tablet. It should start working right away. So let me see if there is anything in the settings. There we go. So it is right here, just didn't give us any notification. But as you can see, it detects it without any kind of problem. Now, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.